Hey, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us deal with but might be a bit shy to talk about: underarm odor. Whether you're getting ready for a big date or just want to feel fresh all day, I've got some effective remedies to help you say goodbye to that pesky smell. So, let's get started. Effective remedies. 1. Baking soda. Mix baking soda with a little water to create a paste. Apply it to your underarms for about 15 minutes before rinsing. It neutralizes odors and absorbs moisture. 2. Apple cider vinegar. Apply diluted apple cider vinegar to your underarms. Its antibacterial properties help eliminate odor-causing bacteria. 3. Essential oils. Add a few drops of essential oils like tea tree or lavender to a carrier oil and apply it. They not only smell great but also have antibacterial properties. 4. Lemon juice. The acidity in lemon juice can help kill bacteria. Apply fresh lemon juice to your underarms, let it sit for a few minutes, and rinse. 5. Coconut oil. This natural moisturizer can help hydrate your skin while its antibacterial properties fight odor. 6. Witch hazel. Use witch hazel as a natural astringent to reduce sweat and odor. Apply it with a cotton ball after showering. Point 7. Cornstarch. This natural powder absorbs moisture effectively. Dust some cornstarch under your arms to keep them dry and odor-free. 8. Aloe vera. Known for its soothing properties, aloe vera gel can also help reduce bacteria. Apply it directly to your underarms. 9. Charcoal. Activated charcoal can absorb odor and moisture. Look for natural deodorants that contain activated charcoal for effective odor control. 10. Rosewater. This natural toner has antibacterial properties and a lovely scent. Dab some rosewater under your arms for a refreshing boost. 11. Saltwater rinse. Dissolve sea salt in water and use it as a rinse after showering. It can help kill bacteria and reduce odor. 12. Green tea. Brew green tea, let it cool, and apply it to your underarms with a cotton ball. Its antioxidants and antibacterial properties can help minimize odor. Thanks for watching. I hope you found these remedies helpful and feel more confident tackling underarm odor. Remember, everyone deals with it, and you're not alone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on feeling fabulous every day. Stay fresh and see you next time. Bye.